Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raina and today I'm going to share a week in my life vlog with you guys. So I had already started vlogging but I forgot to film an intro. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to take you through my week and what all I did during this week. So yeah, without a further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raina and today I'm going to share a vlog with you guys. So today I'm gonna meet my best friend after a long time. So we're going to a farm just to chill. So yeah, I just had a shower and now I'll quickly get ready and yeah, let's get started. So I planned a mystery box kind of a thing. So I've created this box from my friend. So let me show you what's inside. So this is a fragrance, so she can keep it on her cupboard or something. So this is the lipstick. So the shade's name is Noor and my best friend's name is Noorjot, so we call her Noor. So and this is a Tangle teaser. This is a perfume and the same perfume I have, so we'll be twinning. And these are some scrunchies and this I have made, so you must have seen this all over. So this is a Spotify scan playlist kind of a thing. I don't know what exactly you call it. I have put our picture over here and over here there's a barcode. If you scan this barcode, so I have created a playlist for her with all of her favorite songs. So yeah, if she scans this barcode, that playlist will open. So this is really cool. So I have made this and it's a keychain so that you can use it as a keychain as well. So yeah, meet my Bessie. Introduce yourself. She's Noorjot. She forgot her name. She's Noorjot. Say hi. We call her Noor. And she's gonna do a Q&A with me.
Yes. And
I'm scared.
you better be.
Come, let's go. She has a beautiful, beautiful farm. Let me show you. That's her sister. Say hi.
Hi.
She's Prem Jyot. So this is a farm. Okay. See you later. Oh my god. because this is a fragrance. You can keep it on your cupboard. खुशबू आएगी. ये देख नाम देख.
पता है पढ़ा
इसी वजह से मैंने दिया.
नायकानी.
Because her name is Noor.
इसका कौन है?
I hope you like the shade. Yeah. I hope you like the shade. लगा लेगी. रात को नहीं. This is a Tangle teaser.
I know you got me. Just look at it now on me.
Yeah. Not for that because we have long hair.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
that's what is the main thing.
Yeah. You told you like pastel, so lavender नहीं था उधर. मेरे में lavender.
I love this color. I love every pastel color.
Same.
It's Independence Day, but there is
This is the perfume.
Yeah, I know.
I have the same one.
I
have the
tried
same
this.
one. You had this?
I tried it long ago,
Okay.
but I love it.
But do you have it?
नहीं अभी नहीं.
अच्छा. Then it's
अभी
fine.
stock खत्म.
So whenever we applied, it will remind us of each other.
Oof.
Because we have the same one.
4:30 a.m. call.
We love scrunchies.
I love.
So this you can share with Prem as well.
It's all the same.
It's okay, I'll get you more.
Oh my.
And this ऐसे लंबा वाला
हाँ,
फिश
हाँ.
वाला ट्रेंड पे हो रहा है.
हाँ.
इसलिए.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
Whoa.
उसमें सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत करी है कसम
खुद
से।
ही किया है।
सही में। सो तेरा फोन कहाँ है?
पता है Spotify का।
Spotify कर उसको।
Is it the song Noor?
या बट वो प्रिंट में आएगा। उफ यू नो नहीं है, उफ यू नो लास्ट में।
एक और सॉन्ग है Noor।
हाँ और मैंने फोटो डाली हम तीनों की।
हाँ।
आ गया। So there's a playlist I've created.
Oh my god, all our favorite songs.
Yeah. Did you like it?
I love it. Thank you.
Did you like it? Did you like it?
I loved it. I loved it. Actually, this video is a proof that I planned all the hangouts.
No way.
She cancelled.
Oh really?
Yes, you do.
So, do you, she's a younger sister. Hi. By the way, I look the smallest among us.
You look the prettiest, right?
But then exactly. Thank you, but no. But she's the smallest. She's the younger one.
Yeah, she is the most.
And even Noor is younger to me.
Yeah, okay, we're both born in 2000.
Yeah. We're both born in 2004.
But she's 17, I'm 16.
Yeah. So her birthday comes in September and mine comes in March. And we both are Chashmish. We both are Chashmish.
No, I can see without.
And she, even I can see.
I want.
She wants a chashma, like seriously. So hey guys. You already said it, but it's fine. Okay, so she has planned a Q&A for me. I'm very scared because what kind of a questions she's gonna give me.
There are too many questions.
Yeah, I am. Okay, so let's start.
Okay, first question.
Yeah.
What product should a person use as a night routine? This is by Payal Raheja.
Okay. So thanks for the question, Payal aunty. Yeah. So I think you can use whatever suits you. Basically, first you have to check what kind of a skin you have, like oily, combination, dry, etc. So yeah. First, according to your skin, just use the product and make sure it suits your skin. So yeah.
Okay, this is Meri Mama ka. Simran. What's your favorite makeup brand?
Mine. That's.
I know. I think Huda Beauty.
Yeah, I like Huda's
Yeah.
products. They're really nice. I have only their eyeshadow palette, but I love that.
I knew Huda Beauty because I knew that she got
Yeah.
Mac was a wild guess. Another one, Meri Mama Nahi, which is the safest makeup brand according to you?
Safest makeup brand.
Yeah, जिसके products अच्छे हैं.
Okay, so these days there are a lot, but
It depends. कोई some things that really suit your skin,
Yeah.
some things don't. So it depends upon your
yeah,
skin.
depends upon your skin.
Now starts the pahad. Are you ready to help me?
Ready to help you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Always.
I'm gonna call you at 4:30 in the morning.
No matter what
Just
time
to
it is, but no
decide.
matter what situation it is, I'll
This
be
is
there
all
for
a
you.
lie. This is just in front of the camera. See, behind the camera, this girl was like 4:30 in the morning for you, Mano. Get
No, that was a joke. I'll be there for you no matter what.
Yeah, I know that, and I'll be there for you. Okay. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Have you ever met someone famous?
Famous. Yeah, I have met.
She's met me. I'm very. Sorry, continue.
Okay, so I had met Sonu Sood and Sohail Khan. And all I have seen and these two I have met, but so मतलब concerts वगैरह में देखा है and like Sohail Khan. So what happened is it was my Masi's cocktail.
Ah.
You were
Yeah,
also there.
yeah. I remember.
So नीचे वो लोग बैठे हुए थे. There were few actors. So सब लोग फोटो खिंचा के आ रहे थे. So but it was not allowed. So we मतलब मेरे मामू थे, उन्होंने ऐसे कुछ करके वो मैं ले गए वहाँ पे. Because it was Salman Khan's brother, bro.
Obviously, and she's a diehard fan of Salman Khan.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so वो हम वहाँ गए और सोहेल का I was very small यार.
I know.
Yeah. सोहेल
Shaun
मैंने
Shandar.
सोनू सूद, हाँ, सोनू सूद को मैंने बोला wow, nice to meet you, वो blah blah blah, and then I told him I love your happy new year. I don't know why I said that. Okay, so after that ये तो कुछ भी नहीं. मैं सोहेल खान को जब मिली ना, you know what did I tell him? First हमने फोटो खिंचा ली, ठीक है. उसके बाद मैंने पता क्या मैं और पूछा भी मैंने था. I was like he was just sitting, okay. Can you have a picture please? I said that and the same thing. तो फोटो खिंचाने के बाद when he was going to sit आराम से, I told him मैं आपकी भाई की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ.
मैं इसको क्यों चाहती हूँ?
So then he's like, हाँ मैं भी हूँ बहुत. Really that happened. That's hilarious. Now when I think of it, I was like so stupid.
Okay. Have you ever cried at a film?
Yeah.
कौन सी?
This one. कौन सी आई थी? कभी खुशी कभी गम तो बिल्कुल नहीं. उनको रोना नहीं आता, हंसी ज़्यादा.
हाँ.
वो कौन सी फिल्म में थी?
A lot. Dear Zindagi, We Are Family.
Yeah, dear.
मैं Mimi में भी थोड़ा सा I was like so emo, I was like so close to crying, but then
Yeah, I've cried on Mimi.
Mimi में that song, that end.
हाँ यार, it was very sad.
Yeah.
Very sad.
I मतलब cry. समझो कि I cried only.
Same यार.
In your opinion, who will be married first?
You. Yes. No way. Actually, my sister, my cousin.
Yes, Risa.
Risa.
तुम बड़ी भी हो तो तुम्हारी शादी
Feb
करेंगे.
में हुई थी.
Yeah, so sorry, none of us is Risa.
Risa is my cousin. And I'm
Hi,
mutual friend.
mutual friend. Who is more active on social media?
Yeah.
What's your nickname?
I don't have it. But people call me Rhino. My dad calls me Rhino.
Are you ready to help me at 4:30 a.m.? Pakka.
Same.
Okay, which is the best website for shopping westerns?
Western. I think Zara.
H&M is also
H&M. I feel H&M has more trendy clothes than Zara. Like हमारे type के teenagers, Gen Z. But Zara is hell expensive. Yeah, that's the point. But Zara has very elegant and nice clothes. Hey guys, so today it's 21st of August. So we have suddenly planned that we're gonna go to Phoenix Mall to buy some gifts for Rakhi since tomorrow is Rakhi. So because my mom has some work over there. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is what I'm wearing. This t-shirt is from H&M and these jeans I think so is from Zara, and this bag is from H&M again, and those sliders I had bought from an online website. So yeah.
It's a very nice one. It's suiting you.
You think so?
Yeah, really, it's looking very nice. You want that? That is also nice.
Yeah, but those are better.
Yeah, buy these.
Yeah. वो वाले nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice. It's cool. No, these are nice. It's nice. It's really nice. Sure. Happy Raksha Bandhan! So today is Rakhi and we're going to our grandmother's house. So let me show you my outfit. This sharara with this cute kurti.
Don't make it big. आ जाएगा ना
Your
तेरा
gift is coming on Tuesday.
ऑर्डर किया होगा गिफ्ट ले ले ये क्या है
So we're back home and I just received a parcel from Tata Click. So my mom had ordered a bag for me as a Rakhi gift. So I got this bag. I received this bag. So it's a sling bag and it's from Kendall and Kylie. So I'm so happy and it's super cute. Like, and I can fit my phone in this and all the usual stuff. So I'm so excited to use this bag. So this is from my brother and mother. So thank you so much. I also tied Rakhi to my uncle, my mamu. So he gave me this pair of sunglasses. These are from Aldo. This is how it looks. So pretty and cool. So we only decided our gifts. I actually wanted a pair of sunglasses from a long time because these cool trendy sunglasses are all over the internet and I wanted to buy one. So yeah, these are my gifts. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click on the bell notification right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of content over there as well. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay fantastic. Bye.